it's your girl T, and I gonna be me, and I'm coming at you tonight with a hamburger sub recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe is some hamburger meat or hamburger patties. You're gonna need you some sub rolls, whichever kind that you choose. You're gonna need you some cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and all the toppings that you like on your hamburger, okay, to make this hamburger sub. So I thank y'all for coming. I hope y'all try this recipe. I know you're gonna love it. This is one of my favorite burgers from back when I was a teenager, and I used to love to go. I'll tell y'all about the story in just a minute. Alright, so I thank y'all for coming. Don't forget to ring the doorbell. When I say ring the doorbell, that means hit the thumbs up, the like button. One time for you, girl, if you don't mind. And also, I have a second channel. The name of my second channel is Boss Up Cleaning. That is BOSSUP Cleaning, CLEANING. That's why I put all my cleaning videos, organization, and decorating. So I ask that you go over there to that channel, show this channel some love, and leave a comment and let me know that you have subscribed and joined the family. Alright? Alright. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Hey y'all. Tonight I'm gonna make some dinner. So I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my faithful loyal family members. But tonight what we're gonna be making is some hamburger subs. Now the hamburger subs reminds me back when I was a teenager, and we had this store. It was a corner store, and they used to sell food. And hamburger subs and steak and cheese subs and wings and chili cheese fries and stuff like that was some of the things that they sold. Well, hamburger subs was one of my favorites to get from them, and I haven't had it in years, so I wanted to come and share it with y'all. Okay, so we're going to be doing this in the air fryer. You can cook your burgers in the oven if you want to. I'm just doing it in the air fryer because it's a little bit quicker. So I've made burgers in the air fryer before, and right after I made those burgers, I was like, I was surprised actually how juicy those burgers was, y'all. So what you're gonna do is, you know, your air fryer, it comes with a rack. You're gonna take your rack out. That's this right here. Take that out. You don't need that. You can use it if you want to, but to get the burgers high, mine's gonna be, get you a piece of foil and fold it in half. Okay. Alright, so now you're gonna put that down inside the air fryer. Inside the air fryer. I'm gonna get me another piece, and I'm gonna get it down in there as well. You know, and this right here is just help for the cleanup and for what I'm going for. You know, because I want my burgers to be down in some juice. So to get it like that, this is how I do it. Alright. So now that's what I got. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hamburger patties. You can do fresh patties, but this right here is some frozen patties that I got. So I'm gonna take me 3 frozen patties, and I'm gonna put them right down in there. I recommend these burgers too, y'all. They pretty good. They come from Walmart. But so now I got those down in there just like that. Okay. So now we're just gonna season it on up with whatever kind of seasonings that you wanna season it with. So first off, I'm going in with me some seasoning salt. A little complete seasoning. And some onion, minced onion. You can put fresh onion if you want to. Then you're going to turn them over, and you're going to do the same thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take me some water, and I'm going to get it right down in here, so that way my burgers will be cooking in some liquid. Because when I turn them over, I want them in some liquid. I don't want them dry. I don't want them dry like I'm trying to cook them on top of the stove. I want them in some liquid. That way they'll stay nice and juicy, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all the next step in just a second. Alright, so now we got our burgers in the pan. In the juices. And we're just gonna slide it right on in here. And what I did was I cooked mine for like on 370 because when the higher you cook it, the more it cooks on one side. So you're going to have to check them in between. I don't know how long, y'all, but you're just going to have to check them in between. And when they start browning on one side, when you flip them over, it's going to be raw on the other side. So flip them over and let them finish cooking on that side. But that's the beauty in the liquid being in the pan, because when they start browning on one side, once you flip them over, it's already done sealed in that moisture. So when it start browning on that other side and cooking all the way through, the juices and everything is just all in the meat, and they just so nice and just juicy and good, y'all. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead on and set this air fryer on 370 degrees, and I got it on 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna let it go. I'm probably gonna let it go for maybe like 5-6 minutes. Come and check it, and then flip them over if they need to be, and then do the same thing for the other side until they completely all the way done. But I'm gonna show y'all all of that, so y'all gonna see the timer and everything. Y'all gonna see how long they went and all. And the air fryer have not been preheated, so it'll be best if you preheat your air fryer if you can. But with doing what I'm doing, I can't preheat my air fryer because I went and put my foil in the bottom and all that stuff like that, and I ain't want to be trying to, you know, put my foil in there and end up touching this thing right here and it be hot. So when this is about done, I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna show y'all the next step. Alright, y'all, so time had actually got away from me. So you see, it was when we only got like 2 minutes left on the timer. If you can see, 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm about to open it and I'm gonna show you. It got away from me, but I caught it in time. Alright, so this is what I got so far right here, y'all. So the burgers like that. I'm not gonna poke them because I'm one of the ones, y'all, I don't like to poke my food. Nothing that I'm cooking, I don't like to poke it, because when you poke into your food, it make it release the juices. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my patty. You see how the patty look? Done on that side. And you see, it cooked a little longer than what I did the first time, but it's okay. It's about done. So as you can see, the bottom is still a little raw, but now that we turning the crispy side over, you see what I'm talking about? It's down in the juices or whatever. So it's going to soften it back up, and it has locked in that moisture. So this is the side that wasn't done. So all the moisture would have been running out of the meat if both sides was brown. But by the meat not being done and one side is crispy and the other side is raw, when it starts cooking and the juices start running back down into the meat, and making it real juicy, and then the top gonna crisp, the sealing that moisture. Excuse my husband in the background, y'all. But the juice is gonna run down into the meat. The top gonna crisp on this side, and that's how you're gonna seal in that moisture in these burgers. So I'm gonna put these back in there. They went about, let me see, that was 15. They went for 13 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them back in there for like another 8 minutes since they almost done. And I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So this the buns that I got right here. I don't pull up the burgers out the air fryer, but this the thing. I cooked them a little bit longer. I'm going to tell you that because I made some bacon. So as you can see, one thing I did was put some foil on top to catch all my bacon grease while I cooked the bacon. So I made some bacon. I just want y'all to know that. So they did cook a little bit longer, but they is perfect. Look at them, y'all. Perfecto. Y'all can't even see, but I'll let y'all see in just a minute. But I'm about to take some cheese and I'm about to put it on these. Hold on one second. Let me get my cheese. Alright, so now we got the burgers, and I got me some provolone cheese, and I'm just going to take me a slice of provolone cheese and put it on each one like that, and then I'm going to stick it back in the air fryer and let the cheese finish melting. just for a couple minutes, about a minute. That's it, really. Okay, so next I'm finna show y'all what I'm finna do. Alright, so what I'm finna do is, for my burger, I want the mayonnaise and the mustard and the ketchup mixed up together. You could just do the mayonnaise and the ketchup, or however you want to do it, but this is what I like to do. Mayonnaise and the mustard. Ooh, talking about the mayonnaise and the mustard by itself, it be on point. But if you like ketchup on your burger, I gotta taste the mustard mixture before I add my ketchup. But if you like mayonnaise and mustard, and if you like ketchup on your burger, then you gotta add your some to the sauce. Y'all, my husband, y'all don't pay no mind. Then I'm gonna put me just a little ketchup. Gonna stir all that together, and that's my mixture right there for my burger. Oh, the cheese! Look, y'all, the cheese done slid off the burgers. Child. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, I'm about to put the burgers together. Alright, so, on my husband's I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What I'm going to add is some barbecue sauce to his, because he like barbecue burgers, basically. And so, use whatever kind of barbecue sauce that you want to use for yours, but I'm using some Carolina Gold. Carolina Gold? Yeah, Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Alright, y'all. So, for grandma's and mine's, I'm putting my sauce. And I don't know if I said it, but I was fixing to tell y'all. Normally I would toast the bread, butter this side and then toast it, but I ain't got time for all that. I'm just ready to get done and eat dinner and get comfortable. I had a busy day today. So if y'all try these hamburger subs, I know it's just like a regular burger, just a different bun, but I just want y'all to try them. Just try them and let me know what y'all think. And just use different kind of sub buns that you want to use. Whichever one that you want to use, it's up to you. Alright, so now, what I'm about to do is, so you take a patty, split it in half. Look at that. Nice and juicy meat. And you just lay it on your bun. Just like that. Just like that. Ooh, y'all, these so juicy. Okay, hold on, y'all. Alright, so I know y'all got some loud frying over you, but just listen to me. Listen to me as good as you can, okay? So, I'm going to take the bacon and put it on the burger. And I didn't do the bacon too crunchy, because I like the bacon to kind of like still have some, like just a little undercooked. That way the bacon is still soft, Just like that. Alright, so I just took the burgers and the bacon, I just broke it down to smaller pieces that will fit on there better. Okay, so now I'm going to take some tomatoes. I'm gonna take me some thin slices so that it'll fit right on now. Just like that. Alright, so I got my tomato now. Now I'm about to add the lettuce. Just a little lettuce on each one. Just like that. And there you have it, my hamburger subs. I got my fries frying, and I'm just going to take a picture of this and show y'all what they look like. Alright, y'all, so this is the barbecue hamburger sub. Right there, looking all scrumptious. Barbecue bacon hamburger sub. Then here's the other bacon hamburger sub. And then there's the last one. Looking all delicious. Just ready. Just ready. So, if y'all give it a try, let me know. Just top your bun. And there you go. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you tried. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to ring the doorbell. That's the thumbs up, the like button. One time for the one time for you, girl. And don't forget about me over on the Boss Up Cleaning channel. Alright? Thank y'all. And y'all have a good one.